further. 2. Follow the pattern on the walls. 3. You decide to ignore the symbols and enter the temple. The air inside is damp and heavy. The only light. You venture deeper into the temple. The darkness makes it hard to see, but you notice several corridors leading in different directions. Suddenly, you hear a loud creaking sound coming from one of the corridors. 1. Investigate the source. You decide to retrace your steps and leave the temple. As you step outside, the temperature seems to have dropped slightly. You take one last look at the mysterious symbols on the walls, but they still don't make any sense. 1. Study the symbols more closely.
Option
2.
1.
Look for any clues around. You decide to study the symbols more closely. You notice that the symbols seem to be related to the elements, earth, air, fire, and water. You wonder if these symbols might be a warning or a clue about the temple's purpose. 1. Try to decipher the symbols further. 2. Look for any clues around the entrance. 3. Visit the local library to research the temple. 4. You decide to study the symbols more closely and look for any clues around the entrance. You notice that the symbols seem to be related to the elements, earth, air, fire, and water. As you search around the entrance, you find a small carving that appears to be a key.
You focus on deciphering these symbols. After a while, you start to understand their meaning. These symbols warn of a powerful force that lies within the temple, bound by the elements. You wonder what this force could be and if it's still active. 1. Use the key to unlock something. 2. Visit the local library to research the temple. 3. Leave the area and continue your journey. 4. Enter the temple and investigate the force. You decide to visit the local library to research the temple. The library has vast tracks of ancient texts and scrolls. After a few hours of searching, you find a book that mentions the temple. It speaks of a powerful force that was still within the temple by the